Log problem. There we go. Kilo Mike 0 Oscar 59 Fox November 25 over.
Thanks. 59 Echo Nancy 34. Good luck.
Yeah, thanks for EN34 and see you later. This is Victor Echo 3 Echo November QRZ.
November 3 Alpha Lima November.
November 3 Alpha Lima November 5 and 9 Fox November 25 over.
QSL 5 and 9 and Fox Mary 19. Hope to work you during the contest. 7-3. Have fun.
Yeah, nice signal out of FM 19. You were off the side. I'm more to the south now. So see you in the contest, Alan. November 3 Alpha Lima November Victor Echo 3 Echo November. Take care.
7-3, Kevin.
Delta Echo Tango.
Delta Echo Tango.
Yeah, Kilo 4, Delta Echo Tango. You're 5-9 and Fox Mike 17.
Yeah, Fox Mike 17, Kilowatt 4, Delta Echo Tango. Copy 59 Fox November 25, over.
Roger, thanks for the new one. See you in the contest.
Yeah, see you in the contest, and good luck. Victor Echo 3, Echo November, CQ6.
Yankee Mike Yankee.
Yankee Mike Yankee only, go ahead.
Yeah, VE3N. Hey, Kevin, this is Steve, Kilo Alpha 4, Yankee Mike Yankee. You're 20 over 9. I heard you on CW earlier, and you were really pounding in. I'm in Echo Mike 95, Charlotte, North Carolina. 7-3, and see you in the contest.
Yeah, very good. Your beautiful signal as well, 20 over S9 here in Eastern Ontario. So 73, and we'll look for you in the contest. KA4, Yankee Mike Yankee, VE3EN. Take care.
7-3.
QRZ, Victor Echo 3, Echo November, QRZ.
November 4, Uniform Sierra.
Ending in Sierra.
November 4, Uniform Sierra.
Mike 19.
November 4, Uniform Sierra, Sierra 5 and 9, Fox November 25, over.
Okay, copy the 5-9. Also 5-9 in Fox Mike 07. Fox Mike 07, over.
QSL, Fox Mike 07. Nice to hear you guys in the upper FM grids. 73 and good luck. N4 USS, VE3EN.
Whiskey 2 Golf Papa Sierra.
Kilo Charlie.
Whiskey 2 Golf Papa Sierra 59 Fox November 25, over.
Thank you very much. Name is Rick. You're 5-9 and Fox Mary 19.
Fox Mike 19. What state is that?
Maryland.
All right, thanks for Maryland. And I'm sorry, I didn't get your name. What was your name?
Rick, over.
Rick. All right, there we go. Rick, name is Kevin in Eastern Ontario. I'm right on the border with the state of New York. So 73, and like I said, 5-9 and Fox November 25, over.
Yeah, very good. Thanks. Check my QRZ page. I used to live in Potsdam, over.
Okay, yeah, Potsdam. That's just right across the border here, near Malone and then Messina and all that. So very good. Thanks, Rick. 73, and we'll maybe see you in a contest. Whiskey 2 Golf Papa Sierra, Victor Echo 3, Echo November.
Thanks. I'll be on the contest. 72 GPS.
Charlie 4, Juliet Delta.
QRZ, Victor Echo 3, Echo November. Kilowatt 4 November Oscar 5 and 9 Fox November 25, over.
QSL Kevin. Name here is Greg, GREG, Echo Mary 84. EM84 near Gainesville, Georgia. You're 5 and 9, or I'm in Gainesville, Georgia, near Atlanta, Georgia. You're 5 and 9 down here also. Beautiful signal.
All right, QSL. Yeah, nice signal here into Eastern Ontario, and thanks for Echo Mike 84. So nice signal on the Fox November 25, over.
Okay, thanks a lot. See you next weekend, or see you this weekend, a little later.
Yeah, perhaps see you in the contest. We'll see what happens, 73. And for anybody listening, I will be part of the Charlie Yankee 9 Mexico St. Paul Island expedition at the end of July. So hopefully we can work you there as well. I know it's a little early, but we'll see what happens. This is Victor Echo 3, Echo November, QRZ.
Whiskey Delta 9, Charlie Mike Delta.
Delta.
Whiskey Delta 9, Charlie Mike Delta. You're 5 and 9, Fox November 25, over.
Roger. 5-9, Echo Mike 68. Good to talk to you again.
Yeah, Echo Mike 68. And yeah, nice to see you again as well. Nice signal here into Eastern Ontario. 73 and good luck, over.
7-3, see you later.
This is Victor Echo 3, Echo November, QRZ.
This is Kilo Charlie 4, Juliet Delta.
Kilo Charlie 4, Juliet Delta. You're 5 and 9, Fox November 25, over.
QSL, Kevin, thank you on FN25. You're 5-9 also in Echo Mike 74, over.
QSL, Echo Mike 74. Nice signal, and appreciate the contact with you. Kilo Charlie 4, Juliet Delta, Victor Echo 3, Echo November.
73, Kevin.
Hello, CQ calling CQ, CQ6, CQ, Victor Echo 3, Echo November, Victor Echo 3, Echo November, Fox November 25, CQ.
Victor Echo 3, Echo November, Kilo Alpha 8, Echo Delta Echo, how copy?
Yeah, Kilowatt Alpha 8, Echo Delta Echo. Thanks. My signal 59 plus in the Fox November 25, over.
Roger, thank you. You are 59 plus also. Dayton, Ohio. Echo Mexico 79. Good evening. Enjoy the opening.
Yeah, QSL, thanks for EM79 in Dayton, Ohio. My name's Kevin here. Kilo Echo Victor India November. So 73 and have fun. Kilo Alpha 8 Echo Delta Echo from VE3 Ian.
Victor Echo 3, Victor November.